Are you ready to edit your Instagram Reels like a pro? If you're new to Instagram Reels, you might be feeling a little lost when it comes to the video editing. The Instagram app itself offers a really great Instagram editing tool, but it can be a little bit confusing if you've never actually seen it before. So that's why I'm here today to give you a step-by-step guide on Instagram Reels editing features. First thing, open your Instagram app, click on the plus icon and select Reel. The length icon is where you can go to change the max duration that your reel will record up to. The 1x icon is where you'll go to change the speed. The button in the bottom right is for you to change between your front and back camera. Click the stopwatch icon to set a self timer and trim the duration for when your reel will automatically stop recording. Click the icon in the bottom left if you just want to choose a clip from your camera roll. Select your content, trim the clip, and then add it to your reel. Next is the handy align tool, great for transitions. Simply click this icon after shooting your first clip and it allows you to seamlessly align your next clip together. Right here you can edit and trim your clip to your liking. To add music, click this icon and scroll or search for a sound to add to your reel. Or you can import your own audio from videos in your camera roll. After selecting a video, you can trim it here and save. To add text, press the letter up in the top right hand corner and type your text with the keyboard. Scroll along here to change your fonts, press the color wheel to change colors, and the letter with a sparkle to change the styling. To add captions, press the sticker icon, then captions, and Instagram will automatically transcribe your audio. I hope you now feel a little bit more comfortable navigating around the Instagram Reels editing tool. Thanks for watching.